Hi, I'm John Grimes, the Chief Executive of the Smart Energy Council.
And hi, I'm Warwick Johnston, and I'm the founder of SunWiz.
For a long time, the Smart Energy Council has sought to identify and reward industry-leading people and companies.
And SunWiz has been identifying who the leading retailers of solar power systems are since 2009.
SunWiz has determined SolarBright is amongst the best rated solar businesses Australia-wide. To be an award winner, you need at least 50 reviews in the last year, distributed across multiple review sites, with an average rating higher than 4.8 stars.
We are always trying to deliver a tailored solution for the customer. We focus on our service after installation, just to keep the customer comfortable that we're looking after them in the long run.
So we encourage you to consider buying from SolarBright. When it comes to customer satisfaction, they're head and shoulders above most others.